are business-to-business sustainability consultant dedicated to a single profit mission, transforming impact into profit. In an era where the planet and profit are often seen as enemies, we are here to show you how they can be your greatest allies. Before we dive into what we do, let's look at the shifting landscape of the modern market. EcoSociety is an innovative consulting service specifically designed for SMEs and modern companies. We help business enterprises ethical, efficient, and eco-friendly practice. Our goal is to further transform complex sustainability concept into a simple business solution that significantly extends your brand value, especially among the younger generation. However, many businesses today are still struggling with old ways of operating. Let's identify these core problems. The first major issue we see in operational efficiency. Many traditional businesses suffer from high energy and water waste, which directly leads to event operational costs. This waste isn't just bad for the earth, it's a red flag for your bank account. Beyond internal costs, there are external risks that every modern business owner must consider. Business also face a lack of knowledge regarding environmental regulation, which bring high legal risks and potential fees. Furthermore, if a brand is perceived and environmentally harmful, it will struggle to attract the Gen Z market, whose priorities consumption. Conventional marketing does not work for them anymore. To solve these multi-layered problems, EcoSociety offers a unique test-driven innovation. Our main innovation is the transformation of traditional waste management and energy audits into digital strategy. Unlike traditional consultants who give you a static paper report, we provide systems that can be monitored in real time. This allows businesses to see exactly where they are saving money and receiving impact as it happens. This digital approach is supported by 4 key pillars that define our unique selling points. We offer 4 business advantages. First, data-driven analysis for correct cost efficiency. Second, green branding to help you communicate your values. Third, we are digital friendly, making all reports and consultation accessibility online. Finally, we provide local certification assistance to help SMEs get recorded for their dreams efforts. Now, let's look at a specific service package we have designed to implement this value. Our 4 tailored package are basic energy audit for 5 billion, a waste management package for 10 billion, green marketing consultation 3 million per month, and comprehensive certificate package for 50 billion. Each is designed to provide a high return on investment through improved efficiency and brand equity. Who are we building this solution for? Our target market is clear and growing. We focus on 4 key sectors. SMEs looking for eco-packaging startup, launching an ethical image for day one. Manufacturing companies needing waste audits, and local fashion brands seeking sustainable raw materials. These are the business business that will define the economy of the future. To enter this market, we don't use old school and we use a modern, authentic branding strategy. Our branding concept is built on authentic partnership. We follow a strict no greenwashing policy because we know Gen Z values honestly above all else. We position ourselves as an expert partner, transparent, data-driven, and approachable. We use TikTok and Reels to turn sustainability into something trendy and easy to understand. Having seen our strategy and market, let's look at the financial health and potential of the EcoStrategy business model. EcoStrategy is a lean and highly profitable model with an initial capital estimation only 5 billion for equipment and software. The barrier to entry is low. By managing just to audit clients per month, reporting a net profit between 5 to 10 million monthly, with massive potential for scaling. Finally, let me leave you with a vision and why EcoStrategy is the partner you need. In conclusion, EcoStrategy is more than just a technical service. We are a catalyst for the future. We provide the reputation and efficiency essential for survival in today's digital economy by turning environmental impact into sustainable profit. We help you get the green flag from the customer. Let's build a competitive and responsible business together.